Hi, welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus 15, and in this video I want to show you how to control your TV using this device. So you have to open a pre-installed application on your OnePlus 15, which is called IR Remote. Then you want to tap Add New Item in the bottom right corner of your screen, which is plus sign. Let's select TV. Then you have to select the brand of your TV. And as you can see, a little message on your screen, aim the back of your phone at the device. Let's tap Got it. And I'm not sure if I'll be able to show it to you, but I'll try. So between your two cameras, you can see this IR blaster, using which you can control your TV. So here this IR blaster that I was talking about. Okay, so let's answer the question whether the TV is on. I will select no, for example. So now all you're gonna do is point your OnePlus device at the TV with a distance of 1.5 meters or less, and tap the power button below. And when your TV successfully turns off or turns on, you will select an option, yes, it works. And after this, the application will create a virtual remote interface for your TV. And then you will see different buttons, such as power button, volume button, and some other buttons that you can use in order to control your TV. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can control your TV using your OnePlus 15 device. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.